Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to add apps to home screen on Android. So you have to just simply I teach you how to add app on Android screen. So you have to find any app, what app you will add to the home screen of your choice. So I like music, so I will hold it and it will be not working, so moving. So I will go back the home screen and I find another application like this, so it will also not moving. So on the home screen you can move it to anywhere. So I will hold it this of clone phone, hold it and I will move it to the home screen. And I will, where can I adjust on the home screen? So you have to just hold the any app and move it on the home screen. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.